very pleased to begin with the result of the case. Simplest way to put this is over with finally for the Bluml family, and the final defendant in this case was sentenced today. As I said in court, it was important that we had him. He was one of the integral parts of the case, and the resolution that we received to have him agree to testify against the others was essentially the first domino that fell to resolve this entire case. I mean, I remember the day we charged the case, all the sheriff's detectives were in my library, probably had 40 cops in there going through everything. And the statement I made then is what I believe to be the truth, which is if we get everybody involved, but we don't get Ms. Schauberg and Tony Bluml, then we've not received justice in this case. I can now say what I couldn't say then, which is Smith, Ellington, and Tony Bluml had all confessed exactly what they did. Ms. Schauberg, of course, did not. And so the goal always was to make sure that the primary player is the person who we firmly believed to this day pulled the trigger, the person that we believed was intimately involved in this, and Tony, who set the whole thing up. He took them to dinner the night it happened to give Keisha and Andrew time to set up. If we hadn't gotten this kind of a sentence on Ms. Schauberg and Mr. and Tony, I would have been very dissatisfied. But we not only got the resolution of the case, we got life without parole with no ability to appeal it. I'm quite satisfied.